Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever look at your recycling bin and think, wow, that's a lot of stuff? Well, what if I told you that bin is secretly a treasure chest full of amazing home decor? Today, we're going to turn trash into treasure and give your home a unique, eco-friendly makeover without spending a dime. Let's get crafting. First up, let's tackle those glass jars and bottles. Instead of tossing them, give them a good wash. You can paint them, wrap them in twine, or even use some glue and glitter for a bit of sparkle. Boom! You've got gorgeous new vases for flowers, stylish holders for your pens and makeup brushes, or even charming candle holders for a cozy evening vibe. Tease. So simple, and the possibilities are endless. Just let your creativity run wild. Next, we're diving into the world of old fabrics. Got a t-shirt that's seen better days, or a pair of jeans that don't fit anymore? Don't throw them out. Cut them into strips and you can weave them into a cool, rustic-looking coaster set, or even a small decorative rug. You can also sew fabric scraps together to create one-of-a-kind cushion covers that add a pop of color and personality to your living room. It's a fantastic way to give your old clothes a second life. Finally, let's talk about cardboard and tin cans. Those delivery boxes can be transformed into amazing storage solutions. Just cover them with some pretty wrapping paper or fabric, and you've got stylish boxes for your shelves. And those empty tin cans. Clean them, paint them, and you can create a super cute herb garden right on your windowsill. Imagine having fresh basil or mint right at your fingertips. See, with a little imagination, you can create beautiful and functional pieces for your home from things you are about to throw away. It's fun. It's free, and it's great for our planet. So next time you're about to toss something, take a second look and ask yourself, what could this become? I'd love to see your creations, so be sure to tag us in your photos online. Scoo! If you enjoyed this video and want more sustainable DIY ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!